I'm standing here at AUSA 2015 with Mark McCormick, Director of Business Development, Polaris Defense, and we're standing beside Polaris's MRZR, a vehicle that to some may look quite like some of Polaris's commercial product. Mark, could you perhaps talk us through the vehicle and explain to us some of the differences between it and the commercial product that it looks quite similar to?
Shaun, I'd be happy to, and thanks for the opportunity. Basically, this vehicle, as compared to our commercial vehicle, there is a lot of similarities. It comes off our production line where we make our commercial RZR line, and we make this in a 2-seat and 4-seat, much like the commercial RZRs that are supplied to our dealers and our ultimate consumer customers. The difference is this is produced down the line. It comes off about halfway, and then is sent to our military upfit facility. And so some of the things with the chassis and the drivetrain are all the same as the consumer. A little bit of the plastic, but beyond that, we do quite a bit to militarize it. So as you can look at the vehicle, you see things like a steel roll cage. We have what plastic is here is tan, and then we have quite a bit of metal for the military, like the rear box and reinforced sides and so forth. We also have blackout drive capability the military uses for night operations. Has some different wiring harnesses to accommodate other features for night operations. It has keyless entry. This particular MRZR is our 4-seat. It's 1,500 pounds cargo. Both our MRZR 2 and MRZR 4 are 88 horsepower, much like its consumer. The rear of both our MRZRs, the MRZR 2 and 4, also kind of signify a marked departure from the consumer because of the setup for cargo and the rear cage and the drop-down rear tailgate that's all metal, and none of that exists on the consumer product.
And this vehicle here we see has got a trailer behind it. Is that a purpose-designed military trailer, or is that a modified commercial product?
No, that's actually something we did for the military as an additional compatible off-road trailer for either the MRZR 2, 4, or it can also be pulled by our smaller militarized ATV.
And I understand the vehicle is under contract to SOCOM. In fact, we understand it's had 2 contracts with SOCOM. Could you perhaps talk us through the details of those?
In 2013, we got a contract that was a 5-year BPA from actually the GSA, and that was in support of SOCOM's needs, the Special Operations Command's needs at that time. We supplied a significant number of MRZR, the MRZR 2, MRZR 4 at that time under that contract. And then earlier this year in 2015, SOCOM decided that it would be more advantageous for them and their customers if they had a direct contract with Polaris. And so they announced the intention to negotiate and then award a 5-year IDIQ with us for options to continue to buy MRZR 2 and MRZR 4. And other things were also under that contract, which we were awarded in August, including like training and some engineering support and et cetera.
And have there been any export sales of the type?
There has. The MRZR 2 and 4 have been very successful, not only for domestic U.S. government customers, but we're now, I think, in total up to about 20 allied countries we've sold the MRZR product to.